Hi, we are going to see about columns sizing. Okay, so let's start it. Last time we left with this. Okay, I'm going to zoom a little bit so you can see clear. Okay, after you can see there is a one row. It contains one column and the second row contains three columns. Okay, so we are going to add some more columns to the second row. For that we are going to copy this second row's code. Okay, and paste in the same row. Okay, I'm going to paste inside. Okay, because pasting in the same row, I am pasting inside the div. Okay, of the row. You can see the line it contains. Okay, and I click it will highlight, so I am pasting inside it. Okay, I'm going to save it and I am going to see the output what comes, and I'm going to refresh it. Okay, it divided into 6 columns. Okay, 6 similar same size column. Okay, next I'm going to add another, copying it, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to again save it, and I'm going to see the output. Okay, so we have 12 columns and I am going to add more 2, so I'm going to copy this to both and I'm going to paste here and save it, and I'm going to refresh it. So when it overrides its limit as 12, after it gets 12 it will automatically come down. Okay, so the limit, okay, when it crosses the limit it will automatically come down. Okay, so we need to specify. You can also specify the limits, but we can see the 12 is the limit of the columns. Okay, I'm going to delete everything and going to save it. After saving it I'm going to refresh it. So we have 3 columns. Okay, now I'm going to increase this size. How can I do that? I'm going to specify some width to it. Okay, so there are 1 to 12. Okay, so we can assign values. So I'm that after the call you can assign the value. Okay, so I'm going to assign value like 12. Okay, so 12 means the maximum. Okay, so I'm going to just save this and I'm going to refresh it. Okay, you can see the 12 it takes the whole space. Okay, like like the row it takes the whole space, and the other 2 columns get separated into 2 columns automatically. Okay, now I'm going to change something. I'm going to change 12 from 1. Okay, I'm giving it is just 1. Now I can and refresh it. I will see it just take the 1. Okay, so other 2 get separated into say equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to change the other both size. Okay, I will change the size equal to, this one goes to like a 9 and I will change it like a 2. Oops, I'm changing here like 2. Okay, I specified you can count this because 1, 9, okay, 10 and 12. Okay, so we have 12. We specified the 12 number into 12 3 parts. Okay, I'm going to save it and I'm going to refresh it. You can see this is 1, this has 9 and this has 2. Okay, so we define the column sizes. Okay, next I mean width and size we can tell anything. Okay, so I'm going to change another thing. I'm going to change this equal to into 2. Okay, so I cross the limit. Okay, this is 2 and this is a 9 equal to 11, this is a 13, so total 13. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it because I crossed the limit, so it comes under down. Okay, so because we cross the limit. Okay, so we can only fulfill inside 12. Okay, so our count should be total equal to 12, not over the 12. If it over the 12 comes over the 12, it will automatically go down. Okay, I'm changing it to 4 and let's see what's happened, and I will see change this into 6 and I'm going to refresh it. Okay, so this is 4 and this is 9 and this is 6, so that space does not exist. Okay, so they are getting down. Okay, so you can see that. Now we should split them into equal parts. Okay, into 12, not more than 12. If we get more than 12 we cannot place it. Okay, Okay, so you can see how much 4. Okay, this is 9, so 4 into 9, how much you come, it comes 13. Okay, so it is more than 12, so the line come down from the first line. Okay, next you can see in the next it is 9 and 6, and adding this will give 15. Okay, so the line come down from top to next line, so the it is crossing the 12. Okay, so this now won't be in the same line. Okay, so we have planned to make a both right and left in small, and the center would be larger, so we have to give the size for that. Okay, how to we can give the size for, you can change it to 4. Oops, 4. Okay, so change this 9 into 6. Okay, now you can refresh it, you can see something, first one will be okay, and the second one is 2 size is extra. Okay, so we have to make less it. Okay, I will delete from it 3, and I'm deleting it from 3, and save it, and we are going to refresh it. So we got left, right and center to a big size. Okay, so we have planned to make this layout. Okay, so we will see in the next video and design it more.